This presentation is titled Scientific Animations Without Borders, an international technological approach for building practical, applicable scientific educational materials for use on cell phones and portable devices in developing nations. The overall objective of this project is to develop a cost-effective system to easily obtain, adapt, and share useful scientific content for extension efforts worldwide. Current collaborators on the project include individuals in the Department of Entomology, ACES, LAS, and the Business School at the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign. There are also multiple South American and European institutions involved in the project. Collaborator institutions in Africa include IITA, INRA, IER, and INRAN. Currently, there is a standard set of ways or methods by which scientific information is distributed. These include scientific journal articles, conference presentations, websites, internet, and books. The problem with these methods is that they are only accessible to literate individuals, and oftentimes the language in these publications is very specialized for a specific scientific field. The published research and innovative solutions are needed not only in the scientific community, but are also essential to local farmers and/or the general public to help improve their lives. There are a number of different challenges that extension organizations face when attempting to share scientific information and knowledge within developing nations. The target individuals in these developing nations are often low literate learners, so publications and extension materials must be created accordingly. Many times, the locations where the information is deployed are rural areas, which can require transportation funding and may result in the loss of the shared messages at the end of the project. We have investigated potential technologies and opportunities that allow for an easy, rapid transfer of knowledge regardless of the literacy level and location of the target individuals. Some technologies considered were low-cost computers, low-cost smartphone technologies, increased internet access for extension educators, and videos which can be viewed on smartphones, computers, and handheld video players. After evaluating the different technological communication options currently available, the method selected was to create videos that could be viewed and transferred easily on cell phones using Bluetooth technology. Smartphones were a logical choice as most current models have both audio and video capacity as well as Bluetooth technology. Additionally, compared to other regions of the world, Africa has had the fastest growth rate in cell phone subscriptions over the past 5 years. As we work towards achieving the goal of the overall project, there are a number of different challenges that must be dealt with. First, there is the challenge of developing an effective way to create the videos. Two options to be discussed in detail are 2D animations and 3D animations. Second, there is the concern of how to best utilize the videos once created. The focus of this is obtaining audios in different languages and overlaying them on the videos. Lastly, we address the challenges and our solutions in relation to the video deployment methods and the impact assessment strategies. Once videos had been selected as the ideal way to share scientific information, we had to determine a high-quality, cost-effective, and universal way to produce them. The four main options considered included live-action videos, slideshows, 2D animations, and 3D animations. As visible on the graph, there is a considerable difference in price between the live-action filming option and animation option. The significant difference in production costs led to the ultimate choice to use animations in the videos. When developing the animations, there were a number of different requirements to consider. These included the need to develop materials based on technologies that have a proven track record, choosing technologies that country collaborators are using in their extension programs, basing them on the needs of the various countries, creating an economically efficient system to produce materials, helping capture and preserve the value of indigenous knowledge by sharing it with the world, and combining indigenous knowledge with corresponding scientific findings. The first video created was dealing with the storage method for cowpea seeds called triple bagging and utilized the 2D animation technique. Although a successful video was created, the technique had a number of disadvantages. These disadvantages included the lengthy developmental process of the animation, a slow turnaround time for edits, the requirement of extensive faculty and support staff time, and a high cost. The second video created explained a solar drying technique of cowpea seeds to help kill and eliminate insect pests. This video was created using the 3D animation technique. The 3D animation had multiple advantages when compared with the first 2D animation produced. The 3D animation was high quality, had rapid turnaround from when the idea was submitted to the production company to when the first draft was returned, required little faculty or support staff time, and cost approximately 1/30th the price to make. The third video, also a 3D animation, provided a method for creating a natural insecticide from neem seeds. This time around, it was a faster process to develop the animation due to the familiarity with the procedure and the ability to utilize the same character. We were able to build in new tools, elements, and materials into the video. Additionally, this video increased the realistic motion and coordination of the character to increase his likeliness to how a real human would move. After the movie is created, one of the unique aspects of these animation developments is the ability to overlay the videos with different languages in order to rapidly increase the number of individuals and communities that can have access to the indigenous and scientific knowledge presented. Once different versions of the videos are created, the videos are deployed to the target audience. The current deployment plan being implemented involves emailing out compacted, small file-size versions of the videos to collaborators and organizations that can help share the videos with the target audience. Videos are then transferred from phone to phone using Bluetooth technology. Videos are also uploaded onto a centralized website where they can be viewed or downloaded. One of the difficulties with this project was how to monitor the impact the videos are having on individuals, as we are unable to monitor their transfer electronically due to the concern of human subjects, which require individual consent before data collection could occur. Currently, we are requesting feedback and video distribution data from collaborators and those organizations helping to deploy the videos via email. Not only will this method of transferring scientific information via animations help the field of agriculture, but it has the potential to be expanded into other fields, for example, presenting health or medical issues and techniques. The character we have created could also have characteristics modified, such as the type of hat or clothing he is wearing, to help the videos be adapted to different cultures. There also exists the possibility of creating videos based on feedback and suggestions from the target individuals or organizations, allowing for the continued preservation of indigenous knowledge worldwide. In conclusion, this presentation provides a new approach to preserving and sharing indigenous knowledge, combined with scientific information through the use of animations that can be easily transferred between cell phones using Bluetooth technology. This new approach could potentially transform the way that information is exchanged and delivered into marginalized populations worldwide as we continue on in the current technological revolution.